Remember this all-in-one water cooling system from SaharaGaming. I done a review some time ago, and in that review I said I would try and get you some sort of discount. Well, I finally got you one. You can save £20 when you order this water cooling system from SaharaGaming website. £20. All you have to do is, when you go and check out, put the code in that I put in the link in the video description. Put that code in and you will save yourself 20 quid. And that is currently on here, running at the moment, and that is running my Ryzen 5950X, which has 16 cores on it. And I've had no issues whatsoever, touch wood. It's been working fine. If you haven't seen the video, like I said, that video there, I will stick a link in the video description. And there's also a second part of that video as well, in case you want to figure out how to do the wiring. I've also made a little video how to do that as well. So check them videos out if you're interested. If not, go straight to the website, buy this little unit, and you can save yourself 20 smackaroonies. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. And thank you to SaharaGaming for giving us a £20 discount.